Name is real numbers. So what are real numbers actually? What are real numbers? Yeah. Before going to real numbers, we should start with some basics which you learned in the previous classes. Capital N, what it means? What it means, Nana? Natural numbers, right? And W, whole numbers, right? And Z or I are called integers. Okay. Any doubts, Nana? No, we started, right? So nobody will have any doubt. Okay. And next, rational numbers, which you studied in the last class. These are rational numbers. Then what about real numbers? Okay. So what are the numbers comes under these? So in the natural numbers, this starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, right? Jyotish?
Sir, can I say?
Oh no, I will say okay, don't. 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay. So natural number starts from 1 onwards. So they're also called as counting numbers. So the counting numbers are called natural numbers. How do we count the numbers, Nana? How do we count the objects and things and whatever the things? We count with starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, right? So the counting numbers are called natural numbers. Coming to whole numbers, so they starts from 0 onwards. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on are called whole numbers. If you observe carefully, so 1, 2, 3 are also called as natural numbers, right? So simply what we can say, together 0 and natural numbers and 0 together called as whole numbers, right? Yes, no, no. Natural numbers and 0 together called as whole numbers. Okay. And coming to integers. So negative numbers and whole numbers together called as integers. Negative numbers and whole numbers together called as integers. See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. -1, -2, -3, so on. Okay, right? These are the integers now. Okay. Coming to rational numbers, we have a particular definition for this rational number, which you studied in the last class. Once again, I will revise that. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q, where Q not equals to 0 and P comma Q are integers. Okay. If they are in the form of these, then they are called rational numbers. Okay. This is the definitions of rational numbers and the remaining all the numbers. Okay. Right. Yeah. Let me ask some questions. Yeah. Ask you one question to Ram Teja. Ram Teja. Ram Teja, unmute. Unmute yourself, Ram Teja.
Sir,
Yeah. What is the notation of natural numbers? By which alphabet we indicate natural numbers? By which alphabet we indicate natural numbers? Where are you, Nana? Ram Teja. Nana, who's this? Shivashankar, first start your video first. Shivashankar, start your video first. Yeah, Tarak.
Sir, N, sir.
N. Particularly, we need to say capital N. Okay, capital N. Tarak, what is the smallest natural number? Smallest natural number.
Smallest. 1, sir.
1. Very good. So 1 is the smallest natural number. Jeshwant.
Sir.
What is the smallest whole number?
0, sir.
0. Okay. Then what about integers, Jeshwant? What is the smallest integer? Smallest integer.
-3.
-3. Is that ended here? Here we have a many number of integers. Okay. Mute Nana anyway.
I think 0.
0 is also not Nana. Sharon.
Sir.
Yeah, what is the smallest integer?
Sir, we can't say because here again so many numbers there, na, sir, in minus.
Yes, very good. Good answer. So we cannot say the smallest integer because we have many number of negative integers. How much smaller you take, we have many more smaller than that. Okay. Right. Very good. Good answer. Okay, Nana. So we cannot say the smallest integer as well, biggest integer also. Okay. We cannot say the smallest and biggest integer. Then what is the Aditya? Unmute Aditya. Aditya Verma. Aditya Verma, where is he? Sai Teja.
Sir.
Show me your notes once.
Sir.
Show me your notes.
Sir, notes రాస్తా. సార్ నమస్కారం సార్.
నమస్కారం మేడం, చెప్పండి.
నేను నోట్స్ ఎంత చెప్పినా గానీ రాస్తలేడు, ఫస్ట్ నుంచి లేదని భయపడుతున్నాడు. నేను అంటున్నా ఎప్పుడు లెసన్ స్టార్ట్ అయిందో అప్పటి నుండి రాయు, నువ్వు చూసిందే రాయమని చెప్తున్నా. ఎక్కడ మొదలు పెట్టిందో ఏం పర్వాలేదని చెప్తున్నా.
ఓకే ఓకే, ఈ రోజు స్టార్ట్. యాక్చువల్ గా మూడో కానీ బేసిక్స్ చెప్పాము, ఈ రోజు స్టార్ట్ చేసాము. ఈ రోజు నుంచి రాయమని చెప్పండి. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి, అబ్బాయి మొబైల్ చేతితో పట్టుకుంటున్నాడు, చేతితో పట్టుకోవద్దు. ఒక అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఒక టేబుల్ పైన పెట్టించండి ఫిక్స్ గా.
అయితే ఓకే సార్, అట్లా పెడుతున్నాం కదా. ఒక్కొక్కసారి సిగ్నల్ పోవడం వల్ల కొంచెం పట్టుకొని సిగ్నల్ కాడికి వెళ్ళాల్సి వస్తుంది. అయితే ఈ బ్యాక్ ప్లేన్ ఉండాలి, ఇవన్నీ కండిషన్స్ చెప్తున్నాడు. ఓకే, కానీ సిగ్నల్ లేనప్పుడు ఏమైతుంది అంటే మాకు కొంచెం చెట్టు దగ్గర బయట వస్తుంది సిగ్నల్, పర్వాలేదు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళమని నేను చెప్తే సార్ తిడతాడని చెప్పేసి ఆ బ్యాక్ కనిపిస్తుంది అని చెప్పి వీడు భయపడుతున్నాడు. ఇక పక్కకి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాడు.
చెట్టు దగ్గర అయినా కూడా అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేసుకోండి, ఓకేనా? ఆ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ చేసుకోండి, ట్రై చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే సిగ్నల్ ఏమి గెలిచింది కాబట్టి, ఒక రోజు 2 రోజులు చూసుకున్నారు కాబట్టి అరేంజ్ చేసుకోండి ఒక దగ్గర, ఓకేనా?
అదే నేను కూడా అంటున్నా ఏం పర్వాలేదు, ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ ఎక్కడున్నా ఏం కాదురా.
ఓకే 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 మేడం, నేను మీరు కాల్ చేయండి, క్లాస్ నడుస్తుంది కదా, మనం మాట్లాడదాం దాని గురించి. ఎనీవే, try to write the notes, none all of you. And today is the first class, okay? So start your notes is to continue, okay? Right? Be regular, Nana. And next, okay. So what is that? What is the smallest natural number? That is 1. Smallest whole number, that is 0. And integers, we cannot define the smallest, as well we cannot define the biggest. And rational number which are in the form of p by q and q not equals to 0, p comma q are integers. We'll see one by one examples for rational numbers. And before going to that, what is the biggest and biggest natural numbers? Biggest natural number and biggest whole number, Aditya. Biggest natural number and whole number. Where are you, Manga Devi? Yes, Nana, Manga Devi.
Sir, infinite.
Infinite is not a number, Nana. Infinite is not a number. Yeah, just you can say, we cannot say, or there is no biggest natural number and biggest whole number, okay? Remember, Nana, infinite is not a number, Nana. It's just a indication of undefined, okay? Cannot say, we can't say the natural numbers, biggest natural number and biggest whole number and biggest integer and biggest rational number or smallest rational number too. Okay, right? Right now, did you get that? Yeah, right. If you observe, all the natural numbers are in increasing order. Increasing order. What is the meaning of increasing order? Write in bracket, ascending order. Ascending order, okay? Next. All the whole numbers are in increasing order. Increasing order. In bracket, same. Ascending order. Okay. And coming to whole number integers, you see, if you observe here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, continuous like that. -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. Okay, these are integers, no? Okay. Yeah. So here, these numbers are called positive integers. They are called positive integers. And these numbers are called, left side, numbers are called negative integers. Okay. And this 0, neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. Okay. Right. So this we can denote with z plus and this by z minus. Okay. Right. Yes, no. Clear? So if you observe, from -1 to left side, they are in -1 to left side, they are in decreasing order. -1 to left side, they are in, if you go this way, they are in decreasing order. And 1 to this side or 0 to this side, they are in increasing order. They are in increasing order. And overall, if you observe, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. If you observe from left side to right side, they are increasing, right? Did you observe that? Left to right side, they are in increasing order. Okay. Yes, now did you get that? Any doubts up to here? Yes, now any doubts? Right. So they are in ascending order. If you observe from left to right side, okay. Right. This is about integers. Yeah. Next, see the definition of rational numbers. What is the definition of rational numbers? Yes, no. As we discussed, which are in the form of P by Q, where Q not equals to 0, P comma Q are integers, right? P comma Q are integers, right? See here, can anyone give the examples for them, Nana? I will give you another option for Sahasra. Yes, Nana. Can you give the examples for rational numbers? You can try now. Yes, Nana. Yeah. Next, Devi. Can you give the examples for the rational numbers? Jyoti, sit properly. Nana, 2 by 3. Jyoti, sit properly. By 3. Make it fast. You can mute it. Okay. Satvika. Examples for rational numbers now. Any two. Make it fast. Yeah, you can unmute Satvika.
4 by 5.
Yeah, 4 by 5.
3 by 7.
3 by 7. You are thinking. No need to think that much of time. Okay. Think who's this Tarak? Raju Nana. Yes, Nana. Tarak, tell me.
6 by 8, sir.
6 by 8. Okay. Next.
9
Ashwini.
by 10.
9 by 10. 6 by 8. Ashwini. Can you give the answer for rational numbers? Examples?
11 by 12.
All are fixed. 6 by 8, 9 by 10, 11 by 12, 13 by 14. Okay, so on. All these are rational numbers. Okay. So remember, Nana, what is the condition here? Yeah. So in this 2 by 3, what is the P value? Is 2. What is the Q value? 3. And here, P is equals to 4, Q is equals to 5. Okay. And here, P is equals to 3, Q is equals to 7. Here, P is equals to 6, Q is equals to 8. P is equals to 9, Q is equals to 10. and P is equals to 11, Q is equals to 12. And here it is, P is equals to 13, Q is equals to 14. See, Nana? So here, to make a rational number, what is the condition? The P and Q values are must be from integers. If you observe, all these are integers or not? 2 is an integer, 3 is also integer, 4 is an integer, 5 is an integer, 3 is integer, 7 is integer, 6 is integer, 8 is integer, 9 is integer, 10 is integer, 11 is integer, 12 is integer. Okay. All these are integers. To make a rational number, we are using two integers, right? Yes, isn't it? Yes, Nana. Is it right? To make a rational number, we are using here two integers here. Okay, isn't it? So what is the condition of this not equals to 0? Suppose see, if I take 2 by 0, is it a rational number? No, because our condition, what is the condition? Q not equals to 0. What is the p value here? 0. P value 2. What is the q value? 0. Okay. So this 0, the 0, it is not a rational number. Okay, you do not take 0 in the denominator. Okay, suppose if I take minus 1 by 2 or minus 9 by 0, this is a rational number, but this is not a rational number. Okay, because 0 is there in the denominator. Okay, and if you observe, this p is equals to minus 9, q is equals to 0. Here p is an integer, q is also integer, but which is failed to satisfy q not equals to 0, right? Okay, if in the denominator 0%, that is not a rational number. And coming to one more example, which is very important. See, if you take 0 by 2, is it a rational number? Is it a rational number? Yes, no, no. Srinivas. Unmute. Yes, Srinivas. Again, you muted. Okay. 0 by 2 is a rational number. It is a rational number where p is equals to 0 and q is equals to 2. P is equals to 0 and q is equals to 2, right? Okay. Our condition is saying that which are in the form of p by q. And second, q not equals to 0. Number 3, p comma q are integers, right? So here q is equals to 2, which is not 0, right? So it is a rational number. Yes, any doubts? Okay. The numerator may be 0, but denominator must be not equals to 0. Remember that. Okay. Let's not take the screenshots from first paper onwards. Take the screenshot. Make it fast. Second paper. Third paper. And fourth paper. Fifth paper. Paper. Seventh paper. Okay. See here. Take some homework, Nana. Write any 10 situations No need for 10. Any 5 situations? No. Yeah. Where do we use negative numbers in our daily life? And write 10 different situations. 10 different situations. Number 2. Where do we use 0 in your daily life? Any 5 situations. Any 5 situations. Okay, this is the today's homework, Nana. Yeah. Yes. Any doubts? Nana, who is this Shiva Shankar statue video? Otherwise, I don't unmute you. Yes, Jyotish.
Sir,
Yes, no.
sir, you said 0/2 is a rational number.
Yes, no.
Sir, the second condition is the numbers are integers, but 0 is not an integer.
0 is not an integer. Then what you're observing, Jyotish? Look at here. 0 is not an integer. Look at once. They're all integers, right?
It is,
Either
sir, but the
positive.
0 is neither positive.
Then it is integer, but it is not positive. It is not negative. Coming to here.
I understand.
See here. In the set of integers, we have 0. Okay. Any others? Somebody raise your hand. What's your doubt, Gunasai?
Sir, can we write this notice in the book?
Yes, no. Everything you have to write in your notes. Need handwriting,
sir.
not rough. It need handwriting. You
Okay,
have
sir.
to write notes. And Ram Charan,
Okay, sir.
unmute.
సార్
Yes, no.
రేషనల్ నంబర్స్ లో 1/1 వస్తే ఎట్లా చేయాలి సార్?
1 by 1 is nothing but it is also rational number. 1. We'll discuss in the next class about the remaining things. Okay. 1 by 1 is also a rational number. That is nothing but 1. Okay. Nana, who is this Shiva Shankar? Is it your friend? Ram Charan? Gunasai?
Sir.
Shiva Shankar is your classmate, right?
Yes, sir.
If you have the, okay, anyway, right. Okay, Nana, we shall stop here.